Orlando Pirates is going to win the league. You agree, you disagree, you like it, you don't like it. Orlando Pirates this season is going to win the league. Oyas Bonella now. You can see by how the players are so motivated, by the number of goals that Orlando Pirates is scoring, by the number of goals that Orlando Pirates has been conceding also throughout the whole season. This is the season where Orlando Pirates is going to lift the Betway Premiership trophy for the first time in 14 years. Everyone at Orlando Stadium, everyone in all over South Africa, Orlando Pirates Mamelodi Sundowns is definitely going to win the CAF Champions League. You can see it, you can feel it. Like Yavuma, even the football that they playing CAF, they playing beautiful football. They've been the most consistent team CAF. Yes, they've lost a game, but I mean it happens. Mamelodi Sundowns has been brilliant CAF. They are definitely going to win the CAF Champions League. And Kaizer Chiefs is not going to win anything as we had expected this season. I Kinti Chiefs is a winner this season. I know a lot of you are probably going to think I'm saying this out of hate. I'm saying this because of what. I don't hate Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs is one of the biggest franchises in South African football. How can I hate a franchise that contributes to the success and growth of our football? It's Kaizer Chiefs is a big team. Kaizer Chiefs is the biggest team in South African football. But unfortunately, they haven't been playing the kind of football that can win them anything. So this season, the Kaizer Chiefs, next. If I'm being a hater, Kaizer Chiefs is a winner this season. Competition Kaizer Chiefs compete kuyo manje akokuthi Kaizer Chiefs izoyiwina. Orlando Pirates are competing for the league. Mamelodi Sundowns are competing for the league and CAF Champions League. And what is Kaizer Chiefs competing for? They're not competing for anything. So I understand this hate that comes from ama-supporter we Chiefs masikhuluma ngeteam yabo babona ngathi bona mabasithuke ngabazali bethu basibize ngamagama on the socials. That's stupid. It's a fact. Kaizer Chiefs is not competing for anything this season. The only thing they are doing is fighting for in number 3 and to qualify for a CAF Confederations Cup again, and that's something beautiful. It's something worth celebrating. Mara ningabokwata masinjela maqiniso ukuthi Chiefs ayikho into ezoyiwina this season because it's a fact. And one thing I know for sure is that it's Kaizer Chiefs supporters that wish Orlando Pirates don't win the league. Unfortunately, Nhambe wrong this time. Orlando Pirates is definitely going to win the league. They're doing everything right. Even the game against Richards Bay. Yeah, sharp. A lot of us might say that, Mari Pirates were supposed to win that one, but they didn't lose. They were able to come back from behind and make it a draw. One thing that's happening at Orlando Pirates right now is that if the attackers are not scoring, it's the midfields that are scoring. If the midfielders are not scoring, then it's the defenders that are scoring. So this simply means that this team is well structured and they have the depth and the quality to challenge Mamelodi Sundowns until the very last day of the league and then win the league. Mamelodi Sundowns are not playing better than Orlando Pirates in the league. Yes, they're winning games, but the Orlando Pirates is dominating in every other aspect. Our goalkeeper has the most clean sheets. We have the most goals scored in the league. We don't concede as much as other teams in the league concede. Even when it comes to tactical play, Orlando Pirates is doing everything right. Urulebohile Mofokeng is at the peak of his career right now. Ozwena Police is at his peak. Tsabang Muremi is at his peak. Oyanela Mbuthuma, although he's not scoring as often as he should be scoring, but he's also at his peak right now. So everything eyenzakala Orlando Pirates okwamanje, unfortunately, kwenzakala izinto eziright. And Kaizer Chiefs supporters can hate all the like, and I honestly don't understand the hate. Are we saying that we'd rather have Mamelodi Sundowns dominate South African football simply because Laba Ituba, my rival, Baya Zondana? It's not like that. It's not like that. What's happening right now in the PSL is beyond Chiefs. It's beyond Pirates. What's happening in South African football right now is that we just want a team that can challenge Mamelodi Sundowns and dethrone Mamelodi Sundowns. But unfortunately, what's happening is that every other team go to a premiership. Badala Sirius, Mabadala ne Pirates. When they play against Orlando Pirates, they go all out. Amanya masapota yatandaza ukuthi Pirates idliwe. Marana badala na Sundowns akona they like la mele sidliwe. Why is that? Why kunjalo? Kanti ibhola bafethu akusinto ekumele ukuthi kube entertainment ukucompete. Orlando Pirates deserves the league this season. If there's one team that deserves to win the league kule season le, Orlando Pirates. No one is playing better football than Pirates kona manje ku PSL. And it wouldn't make sense ukuthi league mayiphela bese kusase Sundowns still ewinayo. Orlando Pirates deserves it. Kaizer Chiefs played against the Polokwane City. Again, I've been saying, Kaizer Chiefs win a game are meaningless. When they're playing against small opposition, they go all out, but dominate Bashayla team law. When they are properly challenged, they can't stand for the challenge. But bese nina niyasithuka nina masupporter Chiefs. Masasintshela ke amaqiniso ukuthi team yenu bafethu idlala inyoso lapha niyalwa niyasithuka. Nifuna ukusithuka nisibiza ngamagama engawazi. You swearing at us for football. For football. Bafethu, football is a game of opinions. We're all entitled to have an opinion when it comes to football. It's a game of opinions. Kunabantu namhlanje abangakutshela ukuthi uLebuhile Mofokeng ayikho into ayenzayo, even though sonke siyabona ukuthi udlala kahle. Just for the sake of starting conversations. Mina lento engiyikhuluma is a fact. Kaizer Chiefs is not playing good football. Yes, bana individual brilliance. There are players that are playing well. We give credit where it's due. Lebohang Maboe is a brilliant player. Brandon Peterson has been exceptional. He deserves to go to the World Cup. Never fana bafana. Maboe, I mean, I would even be happy if Hugo Brousat has in. Let me give this guy a shot. Ulebohang Maboe uyalazi polo. He's playing well. He's doing everything right. But unfortunately, I can't say the same about the other players abalapha ku Kaizer Chiefs. Again, football is a game of opinions, and this is my opinion. Mina manya player for Kaizer Chiefs for me don't even deserve to play for the team. I feel like the badge is too heavy. I feel like Kaizer Chiefs is too much of a big team for certain players. So now you can't come and insult me for my own opinion. You can't come and call me names for my own opinion. If you disagree nami, tell me why you disagree. Ungangithuki. Ngitshele ukuthi why you disagree with me. Ungazongithuka ungithukela into engekho. If you disagree with the things that I say, tell me. Angivumelani nawe because of this and that. Angithi siyabonisana. It's a game of opinions. Manje sesothembisana ama heavy, sithembisana ukidnapana, sithembisana ama enini just for something as simple as football. Bafethu, come on, we can do better. Like, I just feel like as a country, we don't really take our football serious. When a team that has been promoted from the second division comes to the PSL, mayidlala against the Chiefs mele idliwe, mayidlala against the Pirates mele idliwe, mayidlala against the Sundowns mele idliwe. Akunalento leyo ukuthi team encane mayingena izodlala against lama team lawo we3 celebrate ngathi ama team wethu sewa win league. Instead of celebrating the result, let's analyze the performance ukuthi okay, no coach, sidlale kahle mara mele improve la. Mele silungise la, mele kushintshe la, mele qine la, umbobula, asivale la, asivulela, akwenzakali lokhu nalokhu. Mina angeke ngithole ngigijima estradini Pirates idla imagesi 5-0. Yo, Pirates winile. Pirates is happy we take the 3 points. Of course Pirates were supposed to win. It's an expectation. When a team as big as Orlando Pirates plays against Magesi FC, they have to win. Mele ukuthi bayidle Magesi. When a team as big as the Kaizer Chiefs, I don't even know if when a team as big as the Kaizer Chiefs plays against Magesi, mele win. You can't tell me manje strikers hlalile the whole season singakori, they come and then score a goal against the Magesi bese sithi yo ayubuyile scoring against the Magesi. Niyibonile defense yaMagesi. Khanyisa Maye was supposed to score. Did you see that defense yaMagesi? Flavio Da Silva was supposed to score. Did you see that defense yaMagesi? Umdu Shabalala was supposed to score. Did you see that defense yaMagesi? Magesi probably has the worst defensive record right now in the league. So the players that scored against Magesi, they didn't score because number one, they're good players. They didn't score because number two, they know how to score. They didn't score because number three, Mabapegane Nepala, they know what to do. They scored because they were playing against a poor team. There's a goal, goalkeeper, goal laga tuba. Goalkeeper yemakesi, uchipezeze yena self. Utati polo liphume ezandleni, usitana net defender like udubu yakora. Are those the things that are worth celebrating now? Sharp, we give credit where it's due. You capitalized, ukorile gumnandi. But now it's not like you changed the situation at Kaizer Chiefs. It's not like you changed lento enzakalayo ku Kaizer Chiefs. Asikakakhohlwa ukuthi bentoyitoya nithuka ama coach nithi ama coach ahambe. Now that those coaches won 5 games in a row playing against small opposition, which to me are meaningless. Let's see what happens on Saturday. The big test is on Saturday. The big test is on the 6th of May. Ipulukwane City inbonisile Ipulukwane City ukuthi when you play against a team that's well organized, especially defensively, you struggle to penetrate. Inbonisile Ipulukwane City ukuthi makushubile iChiefs iyastruggle makumele ukuthi penetrate ayikwazi ukupenetrate. No celebrate ukudla imagesi. Nismeleni kancane. Yes, siya complain athina. uLebuhile Mofokeng is an exciting player to watch. He's been consistent, uyakora. But we all know, we've been complaining ukuthi really. We understand when you're playing against these other teams uyashisa. Please do the same against Sundowns. Please do the same against Chiefs. Please do the same for Bafana Bafana. Don't be a player that only shines makungabalekanga. Shine where it matters most. Aba Ozuna police in a big game, he does wonders. Evidence Makhupa. He's not the type of striker that will score you a lot of goals. Maramtat and play him in a big game. Evidence Makhupa confidence is how we are. So this is exactly what we mean. We want the best for the big teams in South African football. We want the best for our players. We want our players to be able to compete. Bahambe nabo masiyale ku World Cup bakwazi ukugijimisana nama opposition wase Europe. Ngoba ama European ajwayele umhlaba kabi. Bona banalento ukuthi yibo kuphela abazi ibhola. Bangazosiphaphela. Mele siyoba-prove wrong. But before we can prove them wrong, it starts here at home. It starts here at home. It starts ekutheni Chiefs iperforma kanjani week in week out. Orlando Pirates iperforma kanjani week in week out. Mamelodi Sundowns iperforma kanjani week in week out. Mamelodi Sundowns is doing a beautiful job go Kef. Naba manje bayowina iCAF. Orlando Pirates is doing a beautiful job kwi-league. Naba manje they're contending for a league. There's a very high chance and it's looking likely, and I mean I'm telling you, iPirates uzoyithatha le league le. iKaizer Chiefs ibeka kuphi? iChiefs ifaka kuphi kulezi zinto lezi esikhuluma ngazo? Masikhuluma kanje iChiefs yona sifaka kuphi? Mara niyasithuka. What are you challenging for this season? What are you defending this season? What have you achieved this season? How many of your players this season can be named good top 5 players who did well throughout the season ku Betway Premiership? Eliphi player ku Chiefs esingalibala masibala ama player 5 antswemba shisile this season? I can count mine and tell me ukuthi laba engizobabala siba substitute for which player le Chiefs. Tebogo Mokoena from the start of the season to now, for Bafana, for Mamelodi Sundowns at league level na ku CAF, he's doing a brilliant job. Ozwina Police from Efika Orlando Pirates, first game against Polokwane City MTN 8, got man of the match. He's been scoring important goals in the league. Nalapha ku CAF, as much as Orlando Pirates iphumile, but he scored the equalizing goal. Lapha Pirates izodliwa yiLupopo ngama penalty. Ama man of the match asakawinila engakhi. He scored important goals for Bafana Bafana. Relebohile Mfokeng started the season on a low, picked up form yakhe after he came back from injury, playing as a number 10. A lot of us siyaqala ukumbona playing in that position. He's creating chances. He's scoring goals. Ukora ama hat tricks, akakwazi ukora ngama head, ukora ama free kick. He's been exceptional. He's been brilliant. Jaden Adams, Mamelodi Sundowns, uyaphasa lo mfana. He's reading the game lo mfana. He's creating chances lo mfana. He's confident dominating that midfield. Jaden Adams, Marcelo Allende playing beautiful football week in week out for Mamelodi Sundowns. Ama pass ulisusa la lisele lifike straight kulo muntu lwakazama kumphasa. Eliphi player le Chiefs engalibala kulaba bay5 ngibasuse ngitabara bafethu nangomunye, because masiqhubeka sithi siya ku top 10, Tshepang Moremi is in that conversation. Tshepang Moremi is in that conversation. He's been playing well with Tshepang Moremi. Aubrey Mudiba has been doing well for Mamelodi Sundowns. Khudiso Mudau doing well for Mamelodi Sundowns. Kamhelo Subelebele raised his hand go Orlando Pirates first season. He's a starter, dominating on the right hand side. Omuphe we Chiefs engimbalayo ngishiyabani makanje. It's not hate when we come and challenge these teams ukuthi hey, you need to win important games too. Ningazoswinela nePolokwane City, ningazoswinela ngabo Orbit College bese sekumele sin celebrate. Win against Pirates, win against Sundowns. Hambani yodlala iCAF, dominate CAF. We complained when uAbdeslam Mowadu iPirates mayidliwa ku CAF ukuthi with all the depth that you have uphume kanjani ku CAF. Now that uphumile ku CAF, we want the league. If you don't win the league, you failed. We used to winning MTN 8. Sijwayele MTN 8. Abo calling knockout, those are cups. Lama cup lawa qualifying ngisho neCAF. These are the conversations that we should be having. Lento ukuthi thina week in week out siyathukana. Sihleli ezindlini zethu kuma social media. Sithuka abantu ngabo mamabo, sithuka abantu ngabo bababo just because your team is being challenged. Just because your team is being criticized. Kanti mele sithule. iChiefs mayidlala umbhedo mele sithule. iPirates mayidlala umbhedo mele sithuke ngoba nina niyasithuka. iSundowns mayidlala kabi mele sithule ngoba nina niyasithuka. So much that nisithuka ngabo mama bethu. Masi reactor we are wrong. Masi reactor futhi we are wrong. I did a video challenging Hugo Bruce. I challenged Hugo Bruce ngasho ngithi akahambe. Mangabe uzoloka busy silethela bo Lyle Foster nabo yaya makahambe when there are players that are doing better than those players. If you are my players osilethela wona akahamba eEurope now lama player wakhe. So, mangabe sizo criticize, especially where football is concerned, let us be fair and let critics zethu zize nama facts, and let us be fair and just. iKaizer Chiefs this season didn't win anything. The only thing they are going to achieve is finishing number 3. Abakhonanga ukudefend iNedbank Cup. Abakhonanga ukuwina iCAF Confederations Cup. Abaqualifyanga for MTN 8 last season. Baphume kusa early na ku calling knockout. Yini abayiwinile this season iChiefs. All they did uqeda ku number 3. And this is a big team in South African football. This is a big team. This is a very big franchise. Mara Mayans are so early Chiefs. Meles Tule, just because Bazo got the number 3. So what? Now got the number 3 and then Bazo Baba achieving. But qualify Confederations Cup with the same team Medalina next season. By a poor Magula Confed Cup. With the same coaches. By a poor Magula Confed Cup. I can't Bazo win Agula Confed Cup with these coaches, with these current players. Your main striker being Abo 5 Lota Silva and Abo Mayo, and you're telling me you want to win something. Aba Fetani Stateni Siras. I need Stateni Siras. Can Orlando Pirates sign a striker also next season? Skatele striker scorer 1 goal in 7 games. Also Napolis and Fuken can't do all the work, Buffett. Angeke bayenze yonke into babodwa labafana laba boyithuno tsepang muremi. Sicela next season uba ne striker esilethal, striker sithi masibone ipala shaya inqaku. Hayi striker soloko sithithiza lapha phambili bese siloko sithi let's give him a chance. Ukhona uMabasa. Makushubile uMabasa akabuye la khona, he's still contracted ne Orlando Pirates. Yilo lapha ku Stelis. Makushubile uMabasa akabuye azodlala kora amagoli. Sifuna abantu abakora amagoli. The sole responsibility of a striker is to score goals. Nalama analyst lawo lebela pizala hlekisa abantu abakhuluma ngama pockets, ngama what. Hey, striker siyakora akuna pocket lapha, siyakora striker. Striker mele shy goal. Abo Erling Haaland bayakora. They score important goals. When the team is behind by an equalizer, when the team needs to lead by a goal, that's going to help them take the lead. So why can't the teams in the Betway Premiership do the same? Why can't the strikers in the Betway Premiership do the same? Maskuluma ngazo le striker lezi high, character what when uhlasela abantu, when uthuka abantu sikhuluma amaqiniso. Our football is not where it's supposed to be because of these things. Because we are not having the conversations that are important, the conversations that matter. That is why we will continue to have strikers who score 9 goals in a season, besabe leading goal scorer in the league. 9 goals. Bese umuntu akhona be leading goal scorer in the league. Asilungiseni ibhola lethu sidlaleni izinto eziserious. Isoweto derby this weekend. We want goals. This time there has to be more than 3 goals. We want more goals. Skatele ile nto le. Ngivalela futhi. I'll close it how I started. Orlando Pirates is going to win the league. Mamelodi Sundowns is going to win the CAF Champions League. Kaizer Chiefs is not going to win anything this season. It's not hate. It's not an opinion. It's a fact. If amanga ngicela wena khona manje kuma comment section ungibhalele what Kaizer Chiefs is competing for this season. Sizophendulana kamnandi. Bafethu yekani ukuthukana nabantu ku social media. Let's talk football. Football is a game of opinion. Share your opinion. Yekela ukuthukana nabantu. Umdala mawungaka uzosithuka ngabazali bethu ku social media anbaza abazali bethu nazithina yekani ukuthuka abazali bethu thukani thina, but it's a fact Kaizer Chiefs won't win anything this season.